This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Apply the handbrake and put the vehicle into gear. Chock the front wheels. Remove the locking wheel nut cap. Fit the locking wheel nut socket, then slacken the wheel nuts. Jack up the rear of the vehicle and support it on axle stands positioned underneath the rear axle. Remove the relevant rear wheel. Using a wire brush, clean the upper shock absorber mounting threads and spray the nut with lubricant. Then clean and lubricate the lower mount threads. Slacken and remove the nut and outer washer from the shock absorber upper mounting. Unscrew the nut from the lower mounting and slide off the outer mounting rubber and its washers, noting their correct fitted positions. Free the shock absorber from the axle and recover the second mounting rubber and washer arrangement from its lower end. Remove the shock absorber from the vehicle and recover the inner washer from its upper mounting. Once the shock absorber has been removed, use a wire brush to clean around the upper mount. Fit the upper mount inner washer, then locate the shock absorber on the upper mounting bracket. Now fit the outer washer and retaining nut. Slightly tighten the nut. Clean the lower shock absorber mounting point. Fit the first mounting rubber and washer arrangement to the lower end of the shock absorber, positioning a washer on each side of the rubber. Engage the shock absorber with the axle, then fit the second rubber mounting and washer arrangement, followed by the retaining nut. Tighten both the lower and the upper retaining nuts to the specified torque setting. Refit the wheel and loosely tighten the wheel nuts. Jack up the vehicle and remove the axle stands. Lower the vehicle and remove the jack. Torque the wheel nuts. Then remove the chocks from the front wheels.